Have you ever wondered about the environmental footprint of launching rockets into space? It is a question that is becoming increasingly important as we journey further into the cosmos. Yes, reusable rockets significantly reduce carbon emissions and overall environmental impact compared to their expendable counterparts. This is a game changer for sustainable space exploration. The main reason lies in the manufacturing process. Building a rocket from scratch for every single launch consumes vast amounts of energy and resources, from mining raw materials to complex assembly. Expendable rockets, as their name suggests, are used once and then discarded, often burning up in the atmosphere or falling into the ocean. Reusable rockets, however, can fly multiple times. This means the carbon emissions associated with their production are spread out over many missions, drastically reducing the per-launch environmental cost. It also cuts down on waste and the logistical footprint of transporting new components. For the space industry, this shift means faster launch cadences and lower operational costs, making space more accessible for scientific research, satellite deployment, and even future space tourism. For us on Earth, it translates into a space sector that is actively working towards a smaller ecological footprint, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. Engineers and scientists often use a life cycle assessment to evaluate a rocket's true environmental impact, considering everything from manufacturing and transport to launch fuel and end-of-life disposal. While rocket propellants still contribute to emissions during flight, the biggest wins for sustainability come from avoiding the need to build an entirely new vehicle for every mission. The fuels themselves are also evolving, with increasing research into cleaner and more efficient options. Ultimately, reusable rockets are paving the way for a future where exploring space does not come at an excessive cost to our home planet. They offer a tangible path toward making space travel more sustainable, efficient, and frequent, benefiting both scientific advancement and environmental stewardship.
Join us at Space Tech Insider, where innovation meets the infinite. Discover the future today.